Wesifundazwe ubalule izizathu ezinqala ezenze ukuthi kwenziwe izinguquko kuKhabhinethi.
We must continuously assess our work as the executive arm of the provincial government and constantly ensure the cabinet serves as a catalyst for the holistic growth of our beautiful province.
uRefiloe Mtsweni Tsipane ube sememezela ukuqokwa kaMandla Msibi kwesokwengamela eminye iminyango yesifundazwe.
Mr. Umandla Msibi has been appointed as MEC for Cooperative Governance and Traditional Affairs.
Uthi ke esinye sezizathu zokuqokwa kaMsibi ukuthi amacala ebhekene nawo asehoxisiwe.
Mr. Msibi stepped aside after charges of serious nature were leveled against him. These charges have since been withdrawn. His decision to voluntarily step aside proved that Mr. Msibi believes in clean governance and served as an example to all other leaders who find themselves in the same position.
Kuphinde kwamenyezelwe ezinye izinguquko ezikhona kuKhabhinethi lesifundazwe.
I have decided to appoint Ms. uNompumelelo Hlophe as MEC for Finance, Economic Development and Tourism. Now, Ms. Hlophe, she is coming with vast experience emanating from the local government sphere. She served as a councillor in various administration.
Umandla Msibi ubebhekene namacala afaka phakathi ukubulala kanye nokuzama ukubulala kanti inkantolo yemantshi kaBhokweni yagcina imkhiphe phambili. Ummeli wakhe ke wayilokho ekhale njalo ngokuthi lamacala anenhlese yezombusazwe. Umsibi uke wengamela umnyango wezolimo esifundazweni iMpumalanga. NginguKhalvin wakwaDludla endabeni zeSABC ngibika ngiseGoli.